Hi, I'm gonna show you how to get your link for Google reviews. That a link that you can share with your clients to leave you a review. First of all, you have to be signed in your Google account and go to Google Business Profile. So the little blue house, or you can put in the URL here, business.google.com, and you're gonna land on your Google Business Profile account, the back end. Okay, so there is a couple ways. I guess the easiest is to just click here, ask for reviews, or you can scroll down. If you scroll down on the right hand side, you can click here. You land in the same place. So I'm just gonna go back here and click on ask for reviews. And now you have, see this is your own uh, link, to a review link, that if you copy, this means you can copy and paste it, let's say, into an email that you want to send somebody, or you're creating a QR code. And I do have a video on how to do that, creating a QR code, and you create a little display to put on your front desk somewhere, or at trade shows or whatever. So anyway, this is the link that you get that takes the client exactly to your review. So they don't have to search for your business or nothing. It makes their life easy. Therefore, most likely that they will leave you a review. And by the way, asking for a review is the best when somebody purchased something from you, be that a product or a service, and they are happy. So don't be shy, you can ask. And if not, then just send a review or create a QR code and have something on your front desk. Okay, hope this helps.